Do you want to get American Express business credit cards? Yes, I got all 5 business credit cards that do not report to my personal credit with only one hard inquiry. How did I do it? I'm going to get ready to spill the tea right now. My name is credit coach Nicole Scott, and if you are new here, make sure that you have subscribed to the channel on Instagram and most importantly on YouTube. Now, if you are like me, you want to get as much funding as you possibly can without it reporting to your personal credit. And American Express is a great way to do that. And yes, I got all 5 of these cards with actually 2 hard inquiries. So I lied a little bit, but it was not on purpose. But the bottom line is, soon as you get approved for one of these guys, and I recommend starting off with the Business Plus card, that is 0% interest for 18 months and there's no annual fee. Now this card looks exactly alike, but it is the Business Cash card. And this is also another one that will offer 0% interest for 18 months and no annual fee. Now, if you are like me and you run ads in your business, this is the card that you want to get. This, my friend, is a metal. This speaks volume. When I bust this thing out, people put some respect on my name and they're like, what do you do? I'm like, oh yeah, look at my shirt. Okay. You got to become a walking billboard too, guys. But this is great for ads. You get 4 times the points on your two highest ad spend or 2 highest spend categories. And one of those spend categories is advertising. So if you spend money on advertising, you can really earn some great rewards with this card. The Plum card is more of like a charge card. So if you are not ready to pay in full within 60 days, do not get this card. There is an annual fee for all these other cards, but you can figure out what cards are going to be best for you. I recommend starting with the Plus, then the Cash card. And once you're approved, whether it's inside the app or on the website, I recommend just going through the app and going through the pre-qualification process. And once you're approved, bam, you just keep on hitting it while the skill is hot. Bam, bam, bam. Eventually, they're going to tell you to call in because they need to verify you. That's exactly what happened with me. So after I got 4 cards, they were like, hey, we need to make sure that you are the one applying for all this credit, so call us. So I called them, and sure enough, they were like, yeah, cool, we approved all 4 of those cards. Only 1 hard inquiry too, by the way. And then a couple days later, I was like, man, I really want that gold card. Like, that is the card that I really wanted. So I called back and I spoke to a representative over the phone and I got another hard inquiry. So whenever you're speaking to a representative over the phone, whether it's, to ask for a credit limit increase or whatnot, with any of these banks, just kind of rule of thumb, it's usually going to result in a hard inquiry. So that's why if you want to avoid a hard inquiry, go through the app. Now, there are some benefits of speaking to a person, like asking for a specific limit, those type of things. But if you don't want a hard inquiry, go through the app, and that way you can be inquiry free and request your credit limit increases and also, get approved for multiple American Express cards by using one hard credit pull. My name is credit coach Nicole Scott. For more information like this, make sure to check out the link in my bio. I have a credit community and I teach everyone in there how to get funding, how to fix the personal credit. I help you along the way, and guess what? You have to take action, and you're the best person for the job, because if you're like most people, we've paid so many people to get us right and it still wasn't right because we ain't right. So get right. My name is credit coach Nicole Scott. I'll see you next time.